To transfer money from a debit card to a PayPal wallet, you need to have a PayPal account and a debit card. First, log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Once you are logged in, click on the Wallet tab at the top of the page. Next, click on Link a Card or Bank option and select Link a Debit or Credit Card. Enter your debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Then, click on the Link Card button to add your debit card to your PayPal account. After linking your debit card, click on the Add Money option and select Add from Debit Card. Enter the amount you want to transfer and click on the Add Money button. Review the transaction details and confirm the transfer. It may take a few minutes for the money to be transferred from your debit card to your PayPal wallet. You can check the status of the transfer by going to the Activity tab in your PayPal account. To avoid any issues, make sure your debit card is valid and has sufficient funds. Also, be aware of any transfer fees that may apply. It is also important to keep your PayPal account and debit card information up to date to ensure smooth transactions. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money from your debit card to your PayPal wallet. This allows you to make online purchases, send money to friends and family, and take advantage of other PayPal services.